Yeah, hello everyone. So today we will see how we can use nested if else condition in Oracle Visual Builder expression editor. So let's take one example. So we have comments field, one opportunity. So we have a requirement if the win probability is greater than 80, then this field will be required, comments field. Otherwise, if win probability is less than 80, then it will go to the else statement and it will check the revenue. If revenue is greater than 10,000, then the comments field will be required. Otherwise, it won't be required. So now let's start. So we will go to the navigator configuration and open the Visual Builder. We already have a project, so hope you know how to create the project, how to deploy your changes. If not, then you can check our playlist for Oracle Visual Builder administration. So now let's navigate to our project. Now we already have a workspace also. Let's navigate to our workspace. Okay, we already have a branch. So instead of using the old one, so let's create a new branch. So we will click switch branch in sandbox and let's select the main branch. Okay, let's create a new branch from the main only. Okay, now we have created a new branch. So okay, so we can see sales dependency is not there as we have seen before also. So let me add the sales dependency first so that we can make changes on the sales application. So here is the sales. Let's click on the plus, add dependency. Now if I will click on the layouts or API, now I can see customer experience, right? So, so now what we will do, we will go to opportunities because we have to make changes on the opportunity page and we have to make changes on the edit page, for example. So let's click on the edit layout. So this is the default layout given by the Oracle. So we will duplicate it and create a new one. So let's give it a valid name. Now let's drill down to our new page. Now let's go to the comments field. This is our comments field. So what is our requirements? Let's see our requirement one by one. So first requirement is we have to check the vulnerability is greater than 80 or not. So now go to the required condition. Click on the FX. Firstly, we have to check the win probability. So let's go to the fields, expand the fields, and let's go to the win probability, win prob. Okay, and let's check the number value here. So what we are checking is that value. If that value is greater than 80, then this field will be required. Comments field will be required. If this value is greater than 80, then this field will be required. Else, so for example, what we are saying, if it's greater than 80, then this field will be required. That means required is true. If this is less than 80, then it will go to the else. So now what we will do, instead of returning false, here we will write an inner query here. So here what we have to check, we have to check the revenue. So now let's check the opportunity revenue. Here is the revenue, right? Number value, and let's tag it here. So in the else statement, we will check the revenue, and what we will see, if that revenue is greater than 10,000, then this field will be required. Then what will happen? If this condition is true, then this will be required. Else, it won't be required. Correct? So that's how you can write an query. Firstly, it will check this. Let to write it will go. It will check the first statement here. What is the value? So if the win probability is greater than, oh, sorry, we forgot to get the actual value also, right? If that value is greater than 80, then it will go to the true. That means the field will be required. Otherwise, it will go to else. This is the complete else statement, including true false, which is the inner query, inner nested if else we can say. So here it will check the revenue. If revenue is greater than 10,000, then this field is required. Otherwise, it is not required. Click on the save. So that's how you can use the nested if else query. So you can test it one. It will work as it is. Hope that one is clear. Thank you.